Do you know what day it is?
It's a Boxycharm.
Boxycharm Day! Hey everybody, if you're new, welcome back to our channel. I'm Shannon. This is Tita. If you're not new, thanks for coming back. We always do our Boxycharm together.
Like eyeshadow.
Yeah, that's a Too Faced palette that has nothing to do with this box. But let's see what we got. So this is the Oasis box. The first thing I see looks like charcoal brush set. We actually got a paper this month, so that's nice because last month we did not get one. Okay, hold on. Let's read this paper. Let's find out where the... Okay, 5-piece brush set, vegan, cruelty-free, $55. Let's look and see what this... the brushes are infused with an antimicrobial... charcoal something.
It's so many.
Yeah,
We got all this.
plastic things covering them. So there is an eyeshadow brush. Feels nice. They feel nice actually. Powder brush feels fluffy. I feel like I would use this to dust away. What's it called? Setting powder? I don't know if I'd use this for brush. I like blush. I like something a little more dense. Contour brush. I like my contour brush a little more flat. So I probably wouldn't use.
I like this brush.
You like it? It feels soft, huh?
It's soft.
Highlighter brush. Kind of small for, I don't know. I guess it'd fit right here. I will try this. I'm not mad at this brush set, although I don't need more brushes because I actually have a set of brushes sitting right here from an Ipsy or Boxy from last month. And then a concealer brush, which I'm not mad at this either. Although I don't really use concealer, I could find something to do with this. You want to hold it?
Yeah.
They feel really nice.
I like them.
Lily Lash XXX Mascara. This is $24. An extra lengthening, extra volumizing, extra bold. I've been getting a lot of mascaras lately and I don't need more. I'm actually thinking about putting a box together for my niece, my sister's daughter. She's really into makeup. She's a teenager. And I've got a ton of stuff. So this will probably, yeah, you can have it. This will probably go in a box for her regular mascara. It feels soft, doesn't it? Like a teddy bear. Yeah. It feels really soft. So this will probably end up going to my niece because I am putting something together for her. And I think it said this is, that's not a lipstick. That's a mascara also.
I can see the
dual fiber. That has like a dual fiber. No. Here, why don't you play with this? Whoa, you destroyed that. It's not. Let's not play with that. Let's play with this one. There you go.
Whoa.
What is that? I think that's, I have no clue.
This.
Smile Science RX Strength Teeth Whitening Pens. It comes with 2 pens. When I got the choice to pick like the items that I wanted, you can do it. I actually picked this. This one cost, I had seen it, where'd I see it? Teeth whitening, $80. It's a 2-pen pack, teeth whitening gel will have your teeth whiter and brighter in just one use. The dual pen pack will last you all month. Honestly, the choices they gave me weren't that great. So, I think I picked that and the mascara, even though I was like, because the other things I just definitely did not want. I'm not mad at this teeth whitening thing, especially if it works. I've tried to use strips before, and my teeth are really sensitive. So, it comes like this, 2 pens.
But we need to put it on, just like Tita.
Mint flavor. So, I guess you just put them... Put it on your teeth. I don't know. I'm going to try this tonight, though, for sure. And then in next month's Boxycharm, I will try to remember to let y'all know how I like these. For $80, I kind of feel like they should be great, but I don't know. there's a few things left in here, and let me tell you, I'm excited about them, okay? This is not one of them, but I'm excited about this. This is Pure Heals Propolis 80 sleeping mask. It feels heavy. I have no clue what this is. Let's see. $55, an enriched sleeping mask providing full nourishment and glowing skin to tired skin while sleeping. Okay, so I've been having some major skin issues lately. I don't know if you can tell, but right in here, I've been having like mini breakout and then drying patches. So not cool. It comes with a thing to like scoop it out, I guess. Let's see. It comes with a lid on the top of it. I don't know what that smell is, but let me tell you, I don't love it. I don't love it.
What's that?
Smell?
Ew.
Yeah, it doesn't really smell good. Let's feel the texture. Feels water. It definitely feels like water-based, kind of slimy.
Oh, look.
Oh, be careful, please. Just put it on your eye. Yep. Oh, good. Oh, girl, that's pretty. Keep your eye closed while you do it. Close your eye while you do that. Yeah, okay. Let's wipe this off. So it's like a gel, slimy feeling. Don't know if I love it, but that, you know, it is what it is. Next thing is Ography lip pencil. It's a 2-pack lip pencil. It's $28. That's a brush, baby. Antioxidant lip pencil that glides on like your favorite lipstick, blah, 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 coconut oil, vitamin E.
Close your eyes, Mommy.
Why? Oh. Thank you. Oh, is it pretty?
Yeah.
Oh, mahalo, baby.
That's really fun.
I'm struggling. I'm just going to rip it to get it out because I can't get it out and I'm struggling here. I'm not mad at... No, it smells so stinky. Leave it.
That smells so...
Yeah, play with your makeup. So it's these two colors. This is a little darker than I'd like. I like this color. I like those mauve-y colors. That's black. I don't know if it tells me what colors these are. Probably on the pencil, right?
Let me try.
Pouty. This one is pouty. So the mauve color is pouty. And this darker color is rosewood. It is black.
Whoa, let me try.
Okay. Not mad at it.
I'm not. I want it. Can I put it?
No. I'm definitely not going to use this, so we're going to put that in the box for Azalea, my niece also.
What is that?
That's for this face mask. That's for that. But I like that mauve color a lot, so I'm not mad at that. Oh, also, I get a lot of questions. Not a lot of questions, but people occasionally comment on my lipstick. So I decided to pull out the lipstick I have today just in case any of you wanted to know. It is the Tarte Lipsurgence in Charmed. It's the glossy one, obviously not the matte one. Did I say how much these pencils cost? $28. Okay, this is No Problem. Nice, so pretty. It's a primer. $23. Take your makeup routine to the next level. Blah, blah, blah. Let's see. I've been getting a lot of primers lately.
Okay.
I feel like I got something with this kind of... I don't know if I love it. It feels very oily, like a light oil. Let me find the paper and read this because I don't know if I love this. Let me see. Hold on. So this formula is enhanced to Calendula. Oh, it's enhanced with. Bleh. It's enhanced with Calendula flower extracts to minimize pores and smooth the skin texture. I don't know if I love this. I feel like maybe this I got in an Ipsy or something last month, and it has that same thing as this one. And I haven't tried this yet, but this has like a different weird kind of tip to it. Please don't ruin. I actually really like this lipstick, so let's not ruin that, okay? Now, the two things that I'm really excited about, this Kylie Jenner, Kylie Skin Foaming Face Wash. Oh, it's a face wash. I'm excited about something. I don't even know what it is. I didn't know this was a face wash. I thought it was like a setting spray or something. So this is $24. Wow, this is only $24. I'm kind of surprised. I expected it to be more. Our luxurious foaming face wash is infused with an ultra nourishing kiwi seed oil, blah, 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 brightening complexion. So, got the foam tip, like Bath & Body Works hand soap. I want to smell it. I'm going to smell it for you. I'll let you know. Okay. It smells perfumey. It's weird for a soap. It smells perfumey. And the lid wasn't on there very, like, twisted very tight, so gotta watch out for that. Okay, last thing. I actually opened this box before we started this video, and I was a little bit disappointed because we got this, which is...
face mask.
Yeah, it is. I was a little disappointed, not because we got this palette. I was actually super happy we got this palette. This is the Tarte Pro, and $49 for this palette. But what had me a little upset, and I was like, why is there like eyeshadow? Like, there was like powder, like a powder residue there, right? Then I open it up, and there's powder residue here. Yeah, that's watermelon. And then I continue to open it up more, and you see there's one that's broken in there. Oh, crap. There's one that's broken in there. So, I actually did email Boxycharm already and show them the broken one. They asked for like a picture of it with my tracking number and everything. So they're gonna send me another one. Hopefully they get back to me soon. I was really disappointed because I was so happy to get this. But let's show you the colors one more time because this is so, she's pretty. She's really pretty. She's really, really pretty.
It's really pretty.
So I'll swatch. Okay, sit down, please. I'll swatch some of them. I'll swatch a shimmer and a matte and one of the lighter colors. So no, she wants to swatch the one that's broken. So they're super, super pigmented.
That is
super pigmented.
So many makeups.
Yeah. So that's nice, girl. That is a nice girl. Have a towel with me today because I normally forget. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little disappointed that this is, I should probably stop shaking it. I'm a little disappointed that that's broken, but they are going to send me a replacement, hopefully. They know that it's messed up and they're gonna get back to me. So that's good, and I'm happy with it. Honestly, y'all, this is the best box I have gotten in a long time. Are you happy with this box? Yeah. I like this. Okay. I like the brushes. I'm excited to try this. I like her makeup brand, her line. I do like it a lot. And I'm super excited about this. I'm okay with the lip pencil. I'm intrigued to see how this works. I have high hopes. Maybe I shouldn't, but I hope it works well. I think that these things alone, they make me happy. No other way, baby. You got to put your hand this way, like this, like that way. Yeah. Also, if you like these videos, there is a playlist with the subscription. So our Ipsy and Boxings are there every month. You can check them out if you want to. But if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share.
Click the bell. All to get those.
Bye.